This 9.6-inch heads-up display is a sleek upgrade for Tesla Model Y and Model 3 owners. It wirelessly connects with CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you easy access to navigation, music, and calls without blocking your air vents. The ultra-thin design includes a front camera, low power consumption, and over-the-air updates for a smooth driving experience. Modern, minimalist, and built to match Tesla's style, it's the perfect tech enhancement for your dashboard. Protect your RV's electrical system with the GEARGO 30-amp surge protector. The 2025 upgraded Gen 2 model delivers full protection against voltage spikes, surges, and faulty wiring. Its built-in LED indicator shows real-time power status, while the rugged orange adapter ensures secure connections. Designed for campers and travel trailers, it's the ultimate safety tool for worry-free RV adventures. The Lectron EV charger is the reliable choice for J1772 electric vehicles and hybrids. With a 16-foot heavy-duty extension cord, it gives you flexibility and reach wherever you charge. Its durable, portable design ensures fast and consistent charging on the go. Safe, efficient, and travel-ready. This is the essential accessory for EV owners who value convenience. Stay safe and in control this winter with the SCC AutoTrack tire chains. Designed for light trucks and SUVs, these self-tightening chains automatically adjust for a perfect fit. They're easy to install without tools and offer superior traction in snow or ice. Strong, reliable, and made for tough conditions, they keep you moving no matter the weather. The Milwaukee M18 grease gun delivers unmatched power and precision for maintenance work. Its two-speed design gives you control for both flow rate and pressure, making lubrication effortless. Compact yet powerful, it runs on the reliable M18 battery system, offering consistent performance and less mess on the job. The LASFIT CR1 Pro inflates tires 3 times faster with its 150 PSI motor. Featuring an easy-to-read digital gauge, smart auto stop, and built-in LED light, it's perfect for cars, SUVs, and motorcycles. Compact, powerful, and quiet, this inflator ensures you're always road-ready with accurate pressure and fast inflation. Add style and function to your truck with the Magnum RT Gen 2 drop steps. Built from heavy-duty steel and finished in black powder coat, they offer secure footing and rugged looks. Compatible with Silverado and Sierra models, these running boards make getting in and out easier while giving your truck a bold, aggressive edge. The APPS 2-car suction cup phone mount keeps your phone secure wherever you go. Its strong suction base sticks firmly to your windshield or dashboard, while the adjustable arm and 360-degree rotation provide perfect viewing angles. Compatible with all smartphones, it's stable, easy to adjust, and built for daily use. Make car cleaning simple with the Ordinado 62-inch car wash kit. The extendable handle and soft microfiber mop head let you clean cars, trucks, and RVs without scratches. With multiple attachments, it handles dusting, washing, and drying with ease. Lightweight, durable, and easy to store, your all-in-one cleaning solution. Light up your truck bed with the Nightlight 60-inch LED bed light kit. With 270 bright LEDs and a simple on-off switch, it provides powerful illumination for your cargo area. Easy to install with adhesive backing and wiring, it's perfect for pickups, RVs, and boats. Durable, waterproof, and bright, it's light where you need it most. The Avid Power 20-volt cordless tire inflator is your quick fix for flat tires. With a digital gauge, auto shutoff, and both battery and 12-volt power options, it delivers fast, accurate inflation anywhere. Compact and rechargeable, it's a must-have for cars, bikes, and roadside emergencies. The Risk Racing Lock and Load Pro keeps your motocross bike secure without straps. Its adjustable locking arms clamp your bike firmly in place, protecting your suspension during transport. Quick to load and release, it's the ultimate upgrade for trail riders and racers who value safety and simplicity. Spare tire mount is designed for utility and boat trailers. Built with heavy-duty steel, it holds both 4-lug and 5-lug wheels securely. Its corrosion-resistant finish ensures long life, and the easy bolt-on design makes installation simple, reliable, durable, and road-ready. It's peace of mind on every trip. The AUTO-VOX is a wireless backup camera system that installs in minutes. With a 4.3-inch monitor and stable digital signal, it delivers clear, lag-free video even at night. The wide-angle lens and super night vision make reversing safe and easy for any vehicle. Smart, simple, and effective, a real safety upgrade. AUT-Match D-Ring. Shackles are built for strength and safety, with a massive 41,887-pound brake capacity. Made from forged steel with isolators and washers, they prevent noise and damage during recovery. Ideal for off-road towing and rescue, they're a must-have for any serious 4x4 enthusiast. Shackle cordless buffer gives you professional-level shine anywhere. With 6 variable speeds and 2 powerful batteries, it's perfect for waxing, polishing, or removing scratches. Lightweight and cordless, it offers total freedom and control. Your car's finish has never looked better with this compact detailing tool. The Corey electric trailer. Jack lifts up to 5,000 pounds with the push of a button. Designed for heavy-duty RVs and campers, it features a waterproof cover, built-in LED light, and smooth electric operation. Quiet, efficient, and built to last, it makes hitching and leveling faster and easier than ever. This MagSafe car phone mount delivers unbeatable strength with 78 pounds suction and 2,400 gram force magnetic hold. The carbon fiber design looks premium, while the 360-degree swivel lets you find the perfect viewing angle. Stable, stylish, and road-tested, it keeps your phone locked in place, no matter the bumps. LISEN Retractable charger delivers super-fast 69-watt USB-C charging for iPhones and Samsung devices. Its retractable cable design keeps your car organized and tangle-free. Sleek, travel-friendly, and powerful, it's the perfect companion for charging multiple devices on the go. Give your Wrangler a factory-fresh look with the Bestop Replace a Top. Made from premium black sailcloth with tinted windows, it's designed to fit 1997 to 2002 Jeep TJ models perfectly. Durable, weather-resistant, and easy to install, it brings new life and quiet comfort to your ride. Say goodbye to pet hair with the ChomChom Roller, the ultimate reusable fur remover for your home. Designed for cat and dog owners, it quickly lifts hair from couches, carpets, clothes, and bedding without sticky tapes or refills. Just roll it back and forth, and the built-in chamber traps the fur instantly. It's eco-friendly, portable, and incredibly effective on all fabrics. Easy to clean, durable, and completely reusable. The ChomChom Roller is a must-have for every pet household that wants to stay spotless. Travel smarter with the Temden 3-in-2 USB-C charging cable, the all-in-one solution for iPhone, Apple Watch, and Lightning devices. Designed for convenience, it lets you charge multiple devices from one cord, eliminating clutter when traveling or camping. The 4-foot cable offers flexibility, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Compact, lightweight, and perfectly portable, it's your go-to travel essential for keeping every Apple device powered wherever you go.